Hello traders, the title of the video is Simple Chart Analysis, Tips and Tricks, New Zealand Dollar, Japanese Yen. Let's get started. The first thing that I want you to do, alright, very simple, is to connect the low of the month of June 2012 to the low of the month of June 2016, all right? That will allow you to draw the blue trend line here. Draw that one on your chart and do not remove it, all right? The next thing that I want you to do is to connect the high of July 2017 to the high of April 2018. That will allow you to draw that green trend line on your chart. The next thing that I want you to do is to draw the horizontal key level, the orange line here, at 75187. Also draw another horizontal key level at 76357. Today, as I'm recording this video, on the 21st of March 2019, the time in London is 9 minutes past 11. Priority to bullish signal, above that red line at 76357. That's where we are now. Okay? So draw the green trend line, the blue trend line, the orange horizontal support, and also the red key level. Today, that level of 76357 is a very, very important key level that the technical traders are watching. Let's go down to the 50-minute time frame. Now we are now on the 50-minute time frame. And this is today. The price dipped a little bit below that level. It's not trying to go back above it. So priority to bullish signal. So it doesn't mean just buy above that line. I mean that look for trading setup, bullish trading setup above that trend line and implement a top-down trading method. All right. Is it going to form, okay, on the 50-minute time frame, an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern? We will see, but we don't want to take anything for granted. All right. It can break below it and continue to go down. But the best approach is to go to a higher time frame, minimum daily chart. If you do not want to go too far, well, I recommend that you go too far. So on a daily chart, we can draw again other trend line here. We can connect. You see, you can do this also. Connect this. You see those low here on the daily chart. You can draw it. Okay, you can do that. Okay, all right, you can do it. Or you can draw, you see here, you find the resistance, you see the SODI here, you can also draw that one there, all right? Okay? Now, talking about a simple chart analysis, tips and tricks, we want to trade around key level, either horizontal key level, trend lines, all right, or pitchfork tool, all right? So this is what we are doing. So once you draw those lines, you want to pay attention to I'm saying it many times, not to annoy you, because it's the level that you must watch today, 76357. All right. All right, I said it enough now, okay? All right, previously, as I was analyzing the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, we can see that it went up from here all the way up here. In fact, I was using earlier way, we were talking about flat correction. And recently, we were also, if you look here, you will say that there is a head here, a left-hand side shoulder, right-hand side shoulder. So it looks at this point as a head and shoulder chart pattern, yes or no? All right. So this is the right-hand side shoulder. The neckline for that head and shoulder chart pattern is at 75187. That's the orange line there. Okay, that's the neckline. Because the price went below it, but it quickly found a support and now goes back above the neckline. So it was only temporarily, okay, bearish, as the bearish trader that has spotted the head and shoulder chart pattern were trying to sell it. It only went down a little bit, couldn't even touch the midpoint target at 67732, only to find a support. Now we have a candlestick pattern here. This is why I'm recording the video now. See that candlestick bar? It's a candlestick bar with a long tail, all right, piercing through a key level, all right. So now it's looking more bullish than bearish because of you see there was this low here, all right, this low here, and this low here. So I don't want to draw another line there. If you see the key level, you see the zone of 73402, 73402. Okay, let's put it there. Okay, you can put it also there, 734. It's not going to be easy for me. That's it, 73402. Going to color that one into black. Okay, right there. Okay, so that's the key level that candlestick bar with a long tail was piercing through. So they sold it down, but there was a demand to buy it, and people bought it here. So don't forget, there are people who bought it here because of this double bottom here. So it's a kind of what we call a capitulation. People were primarily selling it because of that head and shoulder chart pattern, but suddenly there were buyers here that forced the price back above the neckline because it's becoming bearish below that neckline at 73402. Now they push it back up, but you need to be careful. Though they push it back up, there is another key level that we are talking about, the red one here, 76357. Priority to bullish signal above that level and priority to bearish signal below it. But if you are selling it, this is very important. If you are selling it below the red line, understand that you need to be very, very careful. Why? Because of this long tail. So don't be completely bearish, all right? You want to use a Zulu tactics, which means, all right, you are selling it, you are watching it. They try to, okay, put you under pressure. You take your profit and run away. That's what you do, because we are now back in a bully territory. We are back above that neckline of our head and shoulder chart pattern. So when I'm saying priority to bearish signal below, I mean cautiously be bearish, all right, unless it goes back below that neckline at 75187. If you are buying it above the 76357, the red line here, that's why you need to pay attention to the blue trend line that we have drawn. You see here, that blue trend line here. So what we have done, we have mapped out the chart. Now we know what we're looking for. We are looking for bullish trending setup above the red line. If it's going down, watch out for that blue trend line here. It's a resistance that is there. You want to know it. Another thing I need to mention to traders, if they now suddenly the bearish traders come back and start selling it, as I said to you, cautiously because of the neckline, the orange line here. If it breaks below the neckline, all right, you want to push it back now. That's when you need to pay attention to that green trend line. All right, so let's go quickly to the 4-hour time frame to see what's happening there. So on the 4-hour time frame, all you can do is just draw. You can see we have a bullish trend line. So some traders who do not want to use the daily chart, they pay attention to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is the signal time frame for the weekly chart. All right. So what I'm doing now, okay. All right, connect this low here to this one here on the 4-hour time frame. Color that line into pink, trend line on the 4-hour time frame. And then we choose this point here at the top. We draw another line that is parallel to the first pink line. That's it. Then just leave it there. There is a channel. So if it's going up, it's likely to stay within the boundary of that rising channel. Is it truly parallel? Okay. All right, so we have intersection between the red trend line and the median line of that pink channel on the 4-hour time frame. Just a little bit below it, and now you see it goes back below the median line of that pink channel. All right, so prior to bullish signal above 76357, the red line that we have drawn on the monthly chart. Okay. If it continues to go up more, as I told you, everything else that I've said before, don't want to repeat it again, just project, use market geometry, measure the width of the pink channel and project it up and draw a line that is parallel to the pink line. And again, you have a new channel above the pink line. The reason why we are doing that, talking about chart analysis, is to spot the best trading setup on the edge of what? Support, resistance, key level, okay, you name it, anything else, all right? So you don't want to just come in and take in any trade or using any trading setup. You want to look for the best trading setup. And when we are talking about trading setup, we are also talking about a location, a trading setup, a good trading setup will take place around key level, trend line, support, resistance level. All right. So we want a strong foundation. All right. And then when we see a bullish trading setup or a bearish trading setup, as I switch to trader, break a bearish trading setup, they break below, the price will break below a key level, retest it, and the common central line will be broken. All right. Bullish trading setup, the simplest one. We will go above a key level and then we pull back to retest the key level, and the common central line along the pullback will be broken, and then the next step is to use a different time frame trading method. You see, Joe, you're always talking about different time frame trading method. If you're a technical trader, you want to master, okay, the top-down trading method or a different time frame trading method. I say to traders, feel free to mention my name all over the place and say, George said that, okay, and I'm happy with that. Okay, if for traders that are very, very new to us, or you don't know, you say, George, I don't know about mastering top-down trading method. Just YouTube search that phrase, mastering top-down trading method, and YouTube will present you with a playlist of 5 videos. That playlist is from my channel that is called 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader. Check it out. Don't watch it anywhere else. All right, I mean it. Right? I always say that traders that are following us know that George always say that. Okay, so this will conclude our discussion today about simple chart analysis, tips and tricks, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. This video will be posted first on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. Now, the reason why I'm doing that for now is because my YouTube channel about forex trading, 24 Forex Trader, is still small, chugging along, all right? So that's what I'm doing now, but it may change, all right? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Forex Trader, okay? So the channel may start growing, so we can also post there first sometime, okay? So until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If this video has been truly useful to you, please give us the thumbs up. If you say that, Joe, this and other blah, 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 mark it down, please. If you think it's an essential tutorial, all right, share it on the social website. Be sure to click on the notification bell if you subscribe to our channel, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the NZDJPY traders talking about simple chart analysis, tips and tricks, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Thank you. for watching. And I mean it. Thank you for watching.